Google Chrome silently installed a 4 GB AI model on your computer, and there's something you need to know about it. This wasn't a choice. Chrome just decided. No pop-up, no settings toggle, no checkbox. On a Tuesday afternoon, while you were reading the news, Chrome reached into your hard drive and dropped a 4 GB machine learning model inside it. Chrome has 3.5 billion users worldwide. If every installation downloaded this model just once, that's 14 exabytes of data. The carbon footprint of that single push, between 6,000 and 60,000 tons of CO2. Google made that decision for all of us. The file is called WaitSpin. It lives inside a folder named Opt Guide on Device Model. It's Google's on-device AI, Gemini Nano. Chrome uses it to power features like Help Me Write, Smart Paste, and Scam Detection. You never asked for it. Chrome installed it anyway. A security researcher created a brand new Chrome profile. 0 keyboard input, 0 mouse clicks. Mac OS keeps a kernel log that Chrome cannot touch or edit. Within 6 days, the profile had 4 GB of new files inside Opt Guide on Device Model. Chrome installed the model on a profile that never touched a single AI feature. If you delete it, and many users have, Chrome simply downloads it again. The deletion is treated as a transient error. Chrome's update system reinstalls it the next time it runs. The only way to stop it: disable Chrome AI entirely through undocumented settings, or uninstall the browser entirely. Here is the part Google doesn't tell you. Chrome shows an AI mode pill right in the address bar. Every user sees it. Most users click it. And Google wants you to believe your queries stay local, processed by that 4 GB model on your disk. That is not what happens. The AI mode pill routes your queries to Google's cloud servers. The local 4 GB model, it's not used by AI mode at all. The local model powers background features buried in text area menus and right-click menus, features most users will never find. You pay the storage cost. Google's cloud gets the benefit. Privacy researchers say this breaches multiple laws. The e-privacy directive prohibits storing data on your device without consent. GDPR requires lawfulness, fairness, and transparency in data processing. Chrome profiled your GPU and RAM to decide if your device was eligible. That's data collection, and it happened before you saw any AI feature. Let's do the math on the climate cost. Each model installation consumes bandwidth and disk writes. At Chrome scale, the CO2 equivalent of one push is between 6,000 and 60,000 tons. That is like driving a car around the Earth 7,500 times. Google did not ask. You are paying for it anyway. This is the same pattern as last month's Anthropic scandal. Install one product, write files into other products without consent. The difference is Chrome at 3.5 billion users. This is the largest non-consented software distribution event in computing history, and it happened silently. Google says it's just like a spell check dictionary. That's the comparison they chose, a feature you asked for that takes megabytes, installed transparently. Not a separately trained AI model that takes gigabytes, installed invisibly, reinstalls when deleted, and runs in the background without your knowledge. You can switch browsers, that is true, but 64% of the world already uses Chrome. For many people, Chrome is the internet, and Google knows that, so they made their software installation the default and their consent process a 50-page legal document nobody reads. That is not choice, that is obligation. Next time Chrome updates and your disk mysteriously loses 4 GB, you will know what happened. You didn't install an update. You received a deployed AI model on someone else's decision, someone else's timeline, someone else's terms, and there is no checkbox to opt out.